A question I hear a lot is CCP enough for FDA and CFIA compliance? CCP is important, but CCP by itself is usually not the full answer. Hi, I'm Felicia Liu, your food safety consultant, helping food businesses understand and meet food safety requirements and pass their audit. CCP focuses on identifying hazards and controlling them at key steps. But inspectors also expect strong prerequisite programs, especially GMPs, sanitation, allergen controls, maintenance, supplier controls, and training. In the US, FSMA preventive controls build on CCP principles but require a broader system that includes monitoring, corrective actions, verification, validation where needed, and record-keeping that matches real operations. In Canada, preventive control program expectations also rely on strong foundational programs and evidence that controls are working consistently. The takeaway is simple. CCP is the backbone, but compliance depends on the full system around it. We are happy to help you. Simply book a call with me using the link in the description or give me a call at 1-236-513-2488.